Well, hello there. Welcome to the Pyprise channel. I'm very sure if you have got this kind of lavalier mic with you, you must have faced a lot of challenges like me trying to make it work with your Windows 11 and also with DaVinci Resolve. So if you have been facing this issue and you have not been able to resolve it, then I have got 100% solution for this. Keep watching this video till the end to know what are the steps that you must take to make this work with your Windows 11 computer, desktop or a laptop, and how to actually record the audio in DaVinci Resolve. So this is one pesky little mic. It usually won't work, but I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so let's head back to the computer screen. Let's see how we can do that. So friends, you have a Boya mic like this, and the other end of the mic is over here. Let's say this is one end, this is the other end, and you have a barrel in Boya. So you have to first make sure that you switch it not to camera but to smartphone option. Okay, you have to keep it on smartphone option. The next thing that you are going to need is this small piece of pin. It is not at all very costly. So this is called TRS to TRRS converter. So you can order it from Amazon. Okay, so what you need to do is you will need to plug this end of your Boya mic into this converter, and this will go back in the microphone jack of your computer. So let's connect it and I'll show you what to do next. Alright friends, so once you have got the necessary hardware and your Boya mic set to the correct settings, go into start menu and type SOUND. You will see this option called sound settings. So click on it. Over here you have to make certain choices. Okay, so if you see over here, there is an option for mono audio. So what this does is basically combines the left and right audio channel into one. This should be on, not off. Okay, now in the input section, right now as you can see, my microphone is getting detected. Okay, you can increase and decrease the sensitivity of your mic from here. You can add a new device over here. Everything else, if your mic is not getting detected, okay, you should see this bar over here. If it is not coming, then definitely either the jack is not inserted properly or there could be some other issue. Okay, all right, so you can also go into volume mixer and make sure your input device is reflecting correctly over here. If you have a USB mic, the name of the USB mic should come over here. Mine is microphone Realtek high definition, so this is the only option for me over here. Now the next thing that you need to check is go to start and type system sound. You will get an option called change system sound. Click over here and go to this tab called recording tab. Now over here, it's your microphone that you want to use. It should not be disabled. It should be the default device. Okay, if it is disabled, you have to right click and enable it. Okay, you can check the properties. You can check, listen to the levels. If you want to boost it, you can boost it from here. Okay, so all those settings are applicable to you. If it is disabled, enable it. Click on apply and OK this. So having done that, you can check over here. You can simply type is mic. You go over here and you have microphone access is checked, and whatever device you are planning to use, like whatever software you are planning to use, like DaVinci Resolve or OBS Studio, it should be on. So guys, once you have done all this, you have to simply go ahead in your DaVinci. I'll now show you how you can record audio in DaVinci Resolve. Alright friends, so we are in DaVinci Resolve, and this is the default window of DaVinci Resolve that you will see. Let's first bring something into our timeline, and we want to, let's say, record on top of it. So all you got to do is go to the media pool and go to your project. Let's say I want to take this particular clip, drag it and drop it. It will be available under your master bin. So you simply go on edit page, go to the master bin and drag and drop this on your timeline. So let's say this is just a picture and I want to record audio on top of it. So to do that, you obviously have to go to Fairlight page. So this is the Fairlight page where you want to record audio. You can adjust it the way you want. This is a video track, this is an audio track. You can rename it to something like Voiceover. Okay, so this is the video, this is the audio track. Come to Fairlight and we can see now this Voiceover track is available to us. So how are we going to record audio in this? So guys, this is the audio channel over here, and if you notice, there is something called as B1, which is bus 1. So whenever you want to record audio, you first have to patch the hardware with the channel. So let's say I want to record audio on my voiceover. So if you see over here, there is something called as mixer option over here, and you need to click on this. You can recognize voiceover is the name that we gave it. Click on input. Over here you will see your option, which is MI audio, microphone Realtek high definition audio. You can see I have to click on this and click on voiceover. If you see over here, there is left and right channel. So whenever you are recording a voice, it is suggested that you make it mono. So let's make our voice mono first. So we'll go over here, we will right click this channel, go to change a track type to, and we'll make it mono. Now go to input, click on mono, click on voiceover. Now there is no left and right channel, simply voiceover, and you will have to click on patch. Okay, once you click on patch, you can close this. Now whenever you want to record, you have to arm for recording and you have to mute your bus channel. So when you click on it, goes red. When you press on arm, so it is now ready to record, and whatever you want to record, once you click on over here, you can see it is recording my voice now. Click on this and my voice is available. Now when you want to play this, you have to be very careful. You have to first unarm the channel, you have to enable the bus channel, then only you should be able to hear to your sound. Once you click on over here, you can see it is recording my voice now. So you can see how it worked, right? So once again, I'll repeat it for you, all the steps. You have to first mute the bus channel, rearm the voice channel that you want to record over, then you press on record button, you say whatever you want to say, then you stop this recording and this is going to be available to you. Now if you go to edit, so my playhead was ahead of the audio, so that's a video, so that's the reason it was showing a blank screen. What you can do is just come over here and now you can hear the voiceover. Once you click on over here, you can see it is recording my voice now. This is how you can record any audio on your video track. Alright, and you can also go into inspector channel and increase and decrease the volume of this particular audio. You can see I'm doing it right now. You also have a nice equalizer which you can use to modify your audio. You can add bass and treble as per your requirement to it. Okay, so friends, if you were able to follow my instructions and your lavalier mic is now working with DaVinci Resolve, so congratulations, and do not forget to subscribe my channel for neat little tips, and until next time, it's goodbye from my side.